Hey, this is Denton Aguam again with the Dare Network here in Dallas, Texas. Thanks for coming today. We're gonna head out northeast of Dallas, about 25 miles, to Wylie, Texas. A beautiful area situated between two great lakes, Lake Lavon and Lake Hubbard. We're gonna meet Lindsay Knight and Kenny Wolf, who are developing these 6 beautiful townhomes, very affordable living and walking distance to schools. Let's go meet them. Hey, Lindsay.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good to see you.
You too. I love these townhomes.
Yeah, aren't they great?
Yeah, tell me a little about them.
Yeah, so we are out here in Wylie.
Yeah.
We're within walking distance to Hartman Elementary,
Right.
Which is a 9 out of 10 rated school here in Wylie ISD.
Yeah.
So we've got a 3-2 development. We've got 6 units here available, so let's go take a look.
That's awesome. Let's go.
Cool. Hey Kenny, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you. So we've got the awesome developer here with us today. Like we mentioned outside, we've got 6 units here. All of them are available and they're all exactly the same. So Kenny's actually gonna share with us a little bit about what he had in mind when building these.
Yeah, so we built these properties, all 6 of them. We bought the townhome lots, wanted to develop something for kind of starter families, families that would want to walk to the Hartman Elementary right over their back gate in their big backyards. And also have walkability to downtown Wylie.
Yeah, and I noticed you've got 2 car garages here, which is kind of uncommon.
Yeah.
You got a really nice big master and a nice master bath.
Absolutely, we wanted to make it something different than what other townhomes you're seeing in Dallas-Fort Worth.
Yeah, well, let's go take a look at the master.
Awesome.
This is a nice large master bedroom.
Yeah, and the 2 windows
Yeah,
going
a
out
lot
to
of
that big
light.
backyard.
Yeah, I like it.
And then tell us about the master bath here.
Yeah, it looks awesome. It's huge.
Yeah, you've got the double sink vanity, you've got a big soaking tub, walk-in shower, and a massive walk-in closet.
Yeah, I don't
that's-
feel like in this size of home you would typically get a big of a closet.
Exactly. I really focus on the design to make sure it's open, big spaces,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
when you're actually in the unit.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
I love it. Cool. And then this backyard. Can we go peek in the backyard?
Yeah, let's go check that out.
Awesome. Look at this huge backyard. This is awesome.
Yeah, it's really nice. You don't really get this with any kind of townhome
Yeah.
development here in Dallas-Fort Worth.
You really don't. I love it.
Right.
And then tell us a little bit about the upstairs. There's a whole upstairs, isn't there?
There is, absolutely. You got 2 bedrooms, a bath, and then one of the bedrooms has this awesome pop-out window.
Oh, nice.
I can just imagine the kids looking out on,
Yeah.
using that as a desk or something like that.
That's awesome. Cool.
Awesome. Well, these are really great. What are you asking for these?
So we're asking $289 for this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,770 square feet home.
Nice, and there's 6 of them available in
There's 6 of them available, and they are all, like we said, within walking distance to the amazing Hartman Elementary.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
They're gonna sell fast.
Yeah, absolutely.
Candy, thanks so much for your
All right,
time.
thank you,
I
Devin.
appreciate it.
Appreciate
Lindsay,
Yeah,
thanks
thank you.
so much.
So thank you for being out here.
So we have these great 6 townhomes, walking distance schools, near the lake, Lake Lavon, Lake Hubbard. I really hope you enjoyed today in Wylie, Texas.